BeRyL broke down that one stump there, you know, that one tree there I should say. Jaja. HuRRiCaNe Berlin, take down my tours. First set of guests them, you know. On a River Judah from BeRyL pass through. Yeah man, welcome to River Judah. Welcome to the house of Judah.
Like and subscribe and watch out the ads, please.
Yes, I watch the ads. BeRyL them start work that one here. But I'm going to finish it. So stay tuned, kings and queens. If you don't like that video yet, make sure you like it. If you're not subscribed, go right ahead and subscribe. And let's go and watch the ads. Stay tuned. Ja? Rastafari. Come. River Judah clean up again. Yeah man, everything burn out here now. We give thanks. And as I said, kings and queens, sometimes some things is a blessing in disguise. BeRyL is like a, what I call it, a rebirth for the eye. Come back stronger, better. I mean, BeRyL have me to do some things, you see. Yeah, so big up to BeRyL. Big up to yourself, BeRyL. HuRRiCaNe BeRyL. Go on with yourself. But anyway, to your kings and queens, you don't see what going on. Round the River Judah, you clean up again. We're grateful and we're thankful. Greetings in the name of the Most High Jah! Rastafari, Emperor HAILE SELASSIE, the first Empress Melenai, Father, Mother of Creation, King Alpha, Queen Omega, beginning without end. Yes, I is dgAnJaH. I love what I do and do what Jah love, and I did not come on this earth to live up to the divine principle of mankind. I am that I am. Yes, I. Welcome and welcome back to another episode of Building Judah, dgAnJaH Tours. Yeah, man, we'll give our thanks. I'm an Chinman, aka Drunkro, aka TK round this up. Yeah man, him come link I and I, cause you don't know. Summertime and the youth they want a little funds in them pocket. So him come give I man a little, you know. Not a little, but about 3 days now him forward. Yeah man, about that, you know. So I man just do some work with him. However, I man a walk I man track because HuRRiCaNe BeRyL I man still do some whole heap of clean up kings and queens. And I man road, I man stuck up here for a little while. I can't drive out because some breadfruit tree they drop on the road down here, so I man already get them cut up. And what I man I go do here now, I go just try and move them because the tractor man they want to charge I 35,000 Jamaican. Hold on, stop there. The tractor man they want to charge I man 35,000 Jamaican dollars just to move this. Well, they never for move them say 30 grand to start them tractor. You can't come to it, man. Yeah, so I go and just walk and take my time and do what I can do. I know I can't take my time do it. Even if it take I man a week, I go and do that because I don't have $35,000. Yeah, and I not argue with no tractor man a phone price that, but I will take my time, you know. Yeah man, and everything is everything. We have life, we have everything. We have honor, we have to put them, so we just put them to use. We reach here now, still kings and queens that are showing what I go on. Yeah, so the tractor man them want 35 grand for move this, and even them they no kings and queens, and not even them there, cause man's strength can push over them there over there, so cause that I man come here for really do, you know, for just clean out the whole right here, so, and push off all of what can move. But the biggest problem is these big roots here. Yeah man, them 3 roots here, this one and also this one right here, so them a give I man a warm time. So I really them and me don't want the tractor man come ease out, but I gotta just take my time, remove all of them rare sticks and hey, come, Max, wanna come, Max, come, yeah. So as I say kings and queens, I just go and take my time and move all of them things out of the way until we can't move nothing more. I see if me and Chinman can just do some rolling and pushing, you see me? Yeah man, so that's the plan. And right as the road kind of did broke way, I'm gonna just use the shovel and scrape off and roll off a rollway. That's how I plan kings and queens. I gotta just get to work, you know? Yeah man, stay tuned. Jah Rastafari. Yes, I slowly but surely we get in there. Manage to move all of the stump them down there so and over there so. Dep on that one here now. I man think I man van can pass right here so still. And I go pay no mind to that right now. But the most important thing is this one after that, you know. I man know say rolling and rolling can eventually move them big stone here. And I man they shovel with some dirt. And we don't reach here yet. If I man have to call 2 more or 3 more bridging, we just take a little time and push up this over this too, you know. But slowly but surely we get in there. Yes I. Me to take up my 35 grand. Look here. Road clear, now show them the route. Oh man, you push a chin man. Show them.
Tita.
Kings and Queens. Yeah.
Look.
And I man van must can pass that one here. Yeah. So I man I gotta do you now Kings and Queens. This is a little part here. I man I gotta brush off the whole right here so. Spread out the dirt. I man van can pass this as well. But we just have to level off the dirt, you know. Yeah man, but some big stone I still want to get rid of. 35 grand where? 35 grand where? Mad. You want me to spend 35 grand? You do something what me do? Now half an hour? That's mad. That's why sometimes we have to push yourself Kings and Queens, you see me? Anything possible the most I JAH. Cause we don't know where that strength come from. But yeah, we give thanks. How you this in a chin man? I'm gonna go to the van and see if we can pass. So stay tuned Kings and Queens. If you don't like that video yet, make sure you like it. If you're not subscribed, go right ahead and subscribe. And let's go and watch your ads. Stay tuned. JAH. Rastafari. Yes, I 30 grand where? Mad.
And what if I told you that I don't wanna lose you? This distance is confusing me. Heart is burning inside. Yeah, but I was trying to reach you.
Yes, Kings and Queens, so managed to move the stump or did that cause a problem right there. So see it there? 35 grand where? Yeah man, brand new driveway. We give thanks, respect every time in a chin man. Yeah man. Yes I. Yes, Kings and Queens, so I'm on an highway now. I'll pick up Rogers, Zachary. I don't know who and who there, but yeah, stay tuned. JAH. Rastafari. Yes, Kings and Queens, so I'm on hot. I'm on a sweat, you know. Only power work I put in. Zachariah, I don't know Kenny and Alexia loading.
As usual.
Yeah, no, a thing go. So, house of Judah next stop. A pay work I there I do still, you know. Yes, I, Zachariah. Welcome to the house of Judah. Yeah, man. Yes, I in a real life now, you know. Yeah, man. So I be a work I man there put in, bro.
Because after
Walk a kill me, can't even chop out the place. Oh, more. Yes, Kings and Queens, so first set I guess them, you know. On a River Judah from BeRyL pass through. Yes, I. Yeah man, welcome to River Judah. It's not cock-a-doodle-doo, it's Rastafari! This channel is not for the idolaters. This channel is not for the sleeping sheep. This channel is not for the walking dead. This channel is not for the intelligent fools. Before you think to come at I, ask yourself, am I one of the following? I no debate, I don't argue, I no war, I just agree to disagree and keep it forward. And I speaking to a specific set of people. Them know themselves. May I dive, man? Those men who have preceded you have set a high example. Take up where they have left off, emulate them, build on the foundation which they have laid down, that your nation may advance in progress and enlightenment. Yes, and that reading was from His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. Very great book. You should get it. You will never go wrong. Yeah, man. So basically, pick up where your forefathers them left off. You know, build upon the foundation where they left off. That's how you change a lot of generational curse thing and break a lot of generational curse and thing. That's how you break it, you know. Yeah, man. So just pick up where your forefathers them left off. The one them will follow the righteous path, not the one them will rebel and do the wrong thing, you know. Yeah, man. But any which way, just hold a nice little wash off around the river, kings and queens. I'm gonna go rub on some more lotion for my man's skin. And this. So the day set, so stay tuned. Make sure you like that video if you don't like it yet. And then subscribe to the channel if you don't subscribe. And watch your ads. Jah Rastafari. Jah know kings and queens, man. I really love make the videos them longer, you know. Because right now, no signal not 2 days. More than so. So it take all 3 to 4 days to post one video. Because I man with this make that video also about cutting down some planting. Because look at kings and queens. Go over the plant and walk here a little bit. Look there. The bird them are full dry. Although the animals them have to eat to still. Move from there, move from there, move from there. Yeah. You see the kings and queens. Bird them start work that one here. But I'm going to finish it for him. So I'm just going to cut down that one here, you know. Yeah, man, I will eat more there. I want to cut too, you know. I call that one the full too. And I ripe. Yeah, man, I think I just going to cut them too, yeah. And probably the next episode, I man just make it be about cutting down the planting tree them where BeRyL do, you know. I'm on BeRyL videos, them I go late, you know, very late because as I say, the reception is so wonderful. So I man can't really post on time, you know. But we'll give thanks, man. So stay tuned, Jah Rastafari. Then call them on your ass planting or horse plantings. And huge, you see me? Yeah, man, long seeds. We're grateful, and I'm gonna go fry 2 of them, you know. Watch y'all bird gone with that one here as well too. Jah. But that's how it go. The animal them have to eat too, you know. We're grateful and thankful. Probably next episode Jah Willie and I man this cut down all of the trees them way gone, you know. And I mean the planting trees them will look like them now go catch back or I think a couple of them well over there. So we're grateful and we're thankful. Jah Rastafari. Yes, so the whole house of Judah, RiVeR Judah experience so far, Zachariah?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Yeah, man. And like, but that's such a just weak, but you look like you're still asleep. Yeah, and you don't know Rogers. Why pray?
You see, house of Judah, 1 in a 1.
Yes,
so for me, nothing else that if we compare to.
Give her thanks. So don't forget to plant them, you know, kings and queens a good thing. I man, go chop them planting, yeah. Yeah, man, send some planting in the city, you know. Yeah, man, and at the same time, Zachary, come in, come take down a planting, yeah. Yeah, man, take down a bunch of planting there. Yeah, man. Alright, take your time. Go on up so with it. Bring it up so. Yes, yeah, kings and queens, so you know, river nice vibration. So I'm gonna go come pack up the van here now and get the van ready and thing, you know. So I'm gonna have a crocus bag of coconut here. I'm gonna go in the city and I'm gonna have one jackfruit here I want to send it go give my mother. Yeah. So you don't know kings and queens. We're there. Let's stay tuned, jah. Every time. Yes, Zachary. So, yeah, man, it was a great day. Anything you want to tell the kings and the queens them?
Like and subscribe and watch out the advert, please.
Yes, aye. Anything you want to tell the Rajas?
As the G just say, watch your ads.
Alright, we give her thanks, man. Yes, kings and queens. So there you have it, you know. A beautiful day, well spent with family and friends. I basically be your family there, so no friends not really there, so still. But any which way, yeah, man, the driveway get to clear, the river get to clean up. And I don't know. So I'm gonna build a place to uplift, motivate, inspire, aid and teach all our HuRRiCaNe and teach. If you like the movement, kings and queens, support the movement. If you cannot support the movement when you come on to Cash Up and Zelle, I'm gonna ask you please and thanks to this. Like this video right now. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go right ahead and subscribe. And if you don't watch out all of this episode, comment the word
RiVeR.
yes, I RiVeR. We give her thanks. Until next time, JaH! Thanks. Thank you all for your love, contributions, sponsors, donations, and support. Link up the ganja tours on Instagram for an awesome adventure to aid in this development. Or feel free to donate and contribute no matter how small the amount is. And I is truly grateful, thankful, and humbled. And if it wasn't for y'all contribution and help, and I wouldn't reach thus far. Do good, stay good, eat healthy, and do what's right. Stay prayed up to the Most High, have faith, trust, and believe. And don't do what you love, but do what Jah love. Jah Rastafari.